Hi friends, do you want to know what I do all day? From brushing my teeth to going to school and playing with my cat. It's all part of my day. Come with me and see my daily routine. Let's go. I wake up at 7 a.m. Thank you, God, for this beautiful day and everything you've given me. I brush my teeth. I bath daily. I get dressed every day. Yum. Time for breakfast. Cereal, fruits, and milk. It gives me energy for the day. My school. I love to study. I play with my friends. I come home after school. I eat healthy lunch. Time for lunch. Eating healthy food keeps me strong and smart. Finish my homework. I finish my homework on time. I take care of my pet. I do chores. I have my evening snacks. I love spending time with my family. We talk, we laugh, and sometimes we play games together. It makes me feel happy and loved. I eat dinner. I pack my bag for next day in school. I brush my teeth before bed.
My son sleeps at 10 p.m. Good night, my dear boy. Sweet dream.
Look, I hope you love my transformation. Wow, I'm really loving my new look.